and
Of course. No more ball.
funny, but
I don't like it very. Yeah. No, no, no.
for the tournament.
Come on. Another guy like that.
Yeah, I like sushi. Oh, she
Hey, if she likes, he's awesome.
tonight I will go on his house.
Okay,
So we just
yeah.
help him with no big cook. My mother-in-law, Phoebe Arancini. I don't know what do you call it. About
And you did your own filling?
yeah, I did the shampoo yesterday night and.
Quick red.
Yeah, they all trades and stuff. These guys do it regularly, right? It's the same team that kind of just shut it all down shut down tomorrow at 2. I'm excited for it.
McDavid.